Today we will be reading National Geographics for Kids, Sea Otters. It's a sea otter. What dives and plays in the water all day? What floats on its back when it eats a snack? What has a flat tail, but it's not a whale? A sea otter. What is a sea otter? Sea otters are mammals. They live in the cold Pacific Ocean. Otter, word, mammal, an animal that feeds its baby milk. It has a backbone and is warm-blooded. Sometimes sea otters live in zoos or aquariums. They might have been hurt or sick in the wild. Otters get help there. Otters are fun to watch. They like to play with each other. They dive and splash. Life in the sea. Sea otters live close to shore. They find small animals to eat there. Sea otters dive to the ocean floor. They swim through kelp forests. They need lots of food and clean water to live. Kelp. What does an otter say in an emergency? Kelp, kelp. Kelp, a kind of large seaweed that has a long stalk. It can grow into underwater forests. Built for hunting. A sea otter's body is perfect for hunting in the water. Tail, it helps steer the otter through the water. Back legs, they are webbed like flippers. They help the otter swim and dive. Fur, thick fur keeps the otter warm. Body, a long body helps the otter glide through the water. Eyes, good eyesight helps the otter find food. Nostrils, they close underwater to keep water out. Mouth, sharp teeth tear off bits of food. Front paws, they feel and grab for food. Snack time. Scallop, shrimp, squid, sea urchin, crab. Sea otters eat small animals. They eat more than 40 different kinds. They munch on clams, crabs, squid, urchins, and other animals. Sea otters have favorite foods, just like you. Sea otter cracks open the shell to eat the animal inside. Sea otters eat their meals above the water. They lie on their backs. They use their stomach as plates. But they don't use a knife and fork. Sea otters use rocks to crack open hard shells. What is an otter's favorite science topic? Outer space. Scrub a dub. Do you like to stay clean? Sea otters do. They groom themselves for hours every day. They scrub their faces and bodies with their paws. They also somersault, twist and turn. This washes food scraps off their bodies. Their fur must stay clean to be warm. Other word, groom, to clean by scrubbing, licking, or biting. Fuzzy fur. It is hard to stay warm in cold water, but a sea otter fur is up to the job. It is thicker than any other animal's fur. The fur has 2 layers. The outside layer keeps the cold water out. The inside layer stays warm and dry. What did the teacher say to the otter causing trouble? Go on, get other here. 6 cool facts about sea otters. Number 1. Sometimes sea otters hold hands. Well, pause. 2. Sea otters can hold their breath for about 5 minutes. Most people cannot do this for more than 1 minute. 3. They are members of the weasel family. 4. They eat 10 pounds or more of food each day. This gives them energy to swim and hunt. 5. They're the smallest sea mammal in the world. 6. Sea otters have their own pockets. They put food in a pouch under each front leg while hunting. Playful pups. A mother otter often floats with her pup on her chest. Baby sea otters are born in the water. They are called pups. Pups are about 2 feet long at birth. That's about as long as 2 cereal boxes. What is an otter's favorite book series? Harry Otter. The mother teaches her pup how to swim, dive, and roll, but she does the hunting until the pup is older. A mother may wrap her pup in kelp when she dives. Then the pup will stay in one place while she is away. Taking it easy. Sea otters live in groups called rafts. The groups are usually all boys or all girls. They spend lots of time together. They rest, groom, and eat. Otters in rafts often wrap themselves in kelp too. They may sleep like this, side by side. What is the first thing sea otters learn in school? Their ABCs. Watching out for otters. Scientists are busy studying sea otters. They want to know how otters live and eat. They want to learn about otters that have gotten sick or hurt too. Then they can help. A scientist weighs a sea otter at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Scientists do know that pollution hurts sea otters. Keeping pollution out of the ocean helps sea otters stay healthy. Other word, pollution. Dangerous material that makes the water, air, or soil dirty. This sea otter was rescued from an oil spill. People helped clean and care for it. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of sea otter things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the picture. Answer on page 31. Hint, an animal that sea otters like to eat. Sea otters live here. This keeps otters warm in cold water. A kind of tall seaweed. These are used to grab food. They tear off bits of food. So 1, squid, ocean, fur, kelp, paws, teeth. Groom, to clean by scrubbing, licking, or biting. Kelp, a kind of large seaweed that has a long stalk. It can grow into underwater forests. Mammal, an animal that feeds its baby milk. It has a backbone and is warm-blooded. Pollution, dangerous material that makes the water, air, or soil dirty.